This is our
Welcome home. Welcome home. Yay. Welcome home. This is our office dito sa Malaysia. Okay. Thank you, iNetwork. Truly, we are here now. Thank you so much. iNetwork, ito yung mga product natin. Ayun o. Kiseki Mineral. I love you. Okay. So, ayun o. Office. Ayun o.
very big office.
Okay.
iNetwork.
iNetwork.
And then Philippines flag is here. Now this
Ayun,
is
no?
the training room. We are now
Ito yung training room natin.
to the training room with Dr. Ramis here.
Yes.
Then some public rooms also.
Okay. Kaway-kaway lang. Kaway-kaway.
Wow. Very nice.
Dr. Rani Office. Yung ating sales and marketing country director. Training rooms. So, ito na tayo.
And then painting.
Send me the pictures ha.
Yeah.
My cellphone nahulog sa potas.
Wow!
Doon sa ilalim.
Ay, sus, Ginoo.
Nung nahulog siya kada.
Nabuwak na.
No, nanghibutan ako doon. Tapos pagtindog na ako, nakalimot ko buhat.
Ah,
Dito sa ilalim. Tapos karon,
Ay, grabe.
pagsaka na kabin ako nadala na ako.
Huh?
Hindi ko pala nadala. Doon na iwan sa bus sa ilalim.
Sa ilalim. Sa bagay, safe
Sa
man doon.
pasit naman tayo doon.
Sige, isesend ko lang sa'yo sa kuan. Yeah, sige.
Tita here.
Yeah, there's also some biscuit inside.
Wow.
You can save it yourself.
So something like kitchen. No.
Yeah. Kitchen, but not cooking. It's just for eating.
Just for eating.
Canteen.
Yeah. Okay, dito tayo. Pwede tayong mag-snack dito.
Malaysia.
Yung mga food.
What's this? Because that is the receiving room. Something like that. This one.
Training area. This is
This is something like
Rest for eating food, tea time.
the canteen in our
Canteen.
Yeah. We call canteen. Also can call pantry.
Pantry, yes, pantry.
Pantry.
Can we take picture?
Yeah.
Sure.
Sure.
Hindi ko ganang kain.
Okay.
I close the.
Welcome, iNetwork. In 3, 2, 1, smile. Another one. Welcome to iNetwork. In 3, 2, 1, smile. Okay. Hindi siya tumutunog pero nakukuha. Yeah. Sure.
Ikaw na.
Ma'am, dikit ka pa konti. Op. Dito lang. Sa may W. Yan. Sa may W ka, dikit ka konti. Sige pa, naka-video siya. Ayun. Okay. In 3, 2, 1, smile. Another one. 3, 2, 1. Smile. Okay.
1, 2, 3. Okay, done.
Take picture.
Lay down.
Panto, naka-video eh. Wait lang ha.
Next is
Ako ni balikan ng picture sa kanta.
Yes. Malaysia.
At saka ay, sorry na. Nakaka-video na. Kailangan kong i-ano yung
Hi, Ma'am Angeline.
Welcome to iNetwork Malaysia.
Yeah, thank you so much, iNetwork Malaysia.
See you in Dubai.
Yeah, thank you. Yun na nga, at nakita na natin ang office ng iNetwork Malaysia. iNetwork Philippines, Malaysia. Okay. iNetwork Philippines, Malaysia. Yun. Okay, thank you.